Meditation. Love your body. Find a quiet space where you will be left alone for a few moments. Get comfortable. Take a deep breath, and as you do so, gently close your eyes. Take one more deep breath. And as you do so, bring your attention to this moment, to the space you're in. Breathe out, expanding your energy into the space you're in, making yourself as big as you want to be in this moment. Breathe in again. Bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. What does your body feel like in this moment? And as you breathe out, allow any sensation that you do not want to hold or that feels uncomfortable or tense, allow them to release, to follow the breath out into the air, to be transformed and healed. Breathe in once more. And as you do so, bring your awareness to the heart, to your heart center, and observe the emotions you hold in your heart. Be aware, be curious. What are you feeling in this moment? And as you breathe out, allow the acceptance to become part of this moment, accepting the emotions in your heart. They're your emotions in this moment. It's all good, no matter what they are. They are not you, they are an aspect of your experience. Just observe. Now imagine pulling all your energy into your energy field, all the energy that you've left out there with other people or events or places or the future or the past. Imagine breathing it in, pulling it all into you, to your bubble of energy and to your core, to your heart. Any energy your emotions, fears and dreams have sent into the past or the future, or to other people or other places, pull it all in. This is you. You can use your hands to do this in any way you like, if it helps you. Imagine you're gathering everything that is you in any form into your present moment and being, into your epicenter, your knot, your body and your heart. Gather yourself together and bring your focus to your body again. Reflect on how your body is part of you. Notice how it's doing its best to support you, and how it's been supporting you through your life as best as it could. No matter what your relationship with your body in your day-to-day life is, and no matter what pain or illness you may have, for a moment, acknowledge your body as your friend, your partner in crime. Your body is with you, and you are with your body. Your body is an expression of you in a physical form, and you hold your body in your energy, in your heart, in your awareness in this moment. Honor it. Be with it. Communicate with it if you like. You can bring your hands to different parts of your body. You can hold your hands on your head or face. Feel, sense. Send a thought of love through your hands into your head and face. Caress your head and face. You can hold one hand with the other hand, your fingers. Caress them. Feel the love, the sensation as you care for your hand with the other hand. Swap hands and do the same the other way. Bring your hands to your feet and toes, if you can reach them, or simply send your thoughts to your feet and toes and caress them with your mind or your hands. Give them a little massage, loving support, tender care. You can move your hands to wherever you like. Bring them to your back and hips. Feel the support in your hips and back as your hands hold your back and hips, supporting them, loving them. Imagine sending warm, beautiful, loving energy into your hips and your back and your buttocks. Give every part of you all the compassion and love you can. Hold your hands on your tummy. Send all the loving care that you can into your beautiful tummy. This tummy that is digesting your food, your emotions, your life for you. Maybe even carrying a child at some point, if you're a woman. Give every part the compassion and love as if your body were your lover, your child, your closest ally. Your body is longing for your love. Your love will remind it of its strength and natural ability to heal. Love will give your body the energy it needs to continue supporting you. Embrace your body. Love it. Hold it. Talk to your body with kindness and words of gratitude in this moment. Even if you're not used to it, try it. Even if you harbor patterns of self-loathing, self-rejection, or self-criticism, if you dislike your body or believe it to be failing you, try to rise above it in this moment. Come back to the embrace, the kindness. Feel how good it feels to be friends with your body, to hold it, to support yourself by supporting your body. And trust your heart's ability to send love to every bit of your body if you only ask it. Your heart doesn't discriminate, it doesn't judge, it loves. Allow it to do so. In your mind's eye, step back a little. Let your heart do its work without interference. Use your imagination. Pretend you can see or know or do this. You don't have to control it. You can't control it. You can only feel it. If you can't feel your heart, don't worry. Just imagine. Your intention is enough for now. Your soul, your subconscious, will get the message and help you remember. You don't need to believe it or understand it. You can open to the possibility that no matter how small or hidden it feels, no matter how distant, love is at the core of your heart. Embrace the truth of this. Sink into the experience of it. Bathe in it. Let go. Rest. Allow. You are allowed to love all of you. You're allowed to love your body. You're allowed to receive the support and love from your heart and your body and your soul. Even your mind can love you, and you can love your mind back. Rest into it. Indulge. Enjoy. Take your time, and when you're ready to let go and move forward into your life again, take a deep breath, gently open your eyes, smile, and remind yourself to touch your body from time to time, remembering what it's like to embrace it. Hold your face in the mirror and smile. Touch your tummy, hold it and thank it, your back. Massage your hands and your feet. Your body is there to be loved and held, as it is there to love and hold you.